Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we share the best tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today I am going to show you how to export contacts to Gmail. Whether you are switching from another Gmail service or just need to back up your contacts, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and books.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Gmail account where you want to import your contacts. Once you are in Google Contacts, click on Export. Most contact lists are saved as CSV or vcard files. If you have your contacts in different email service, export them from there as a CSV or vcard file first. Now that we have our contacts file, go to Google Contacts. In the import section, click on select file. Choose the CSV or vcard file you just saved and click import. Google Contacts will import all your contacts from the file into your Gmail account. You will see a confirmation message once the process is complete. And that's it. Your contacts have been successfully imported into Gmail. Now you can easily access them from your Gmail account or any device synced with your Google account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.